My dear 10th standard students, in this video 52 mark questions and answer in social science for slow learners. Name the two countries in the Triple Entente: Britain, France and Russia. What were the three militant forms of nationalisms in Europe? England, Jingoism; France, Chauvinism; and Germany, Gelter. What was the result of Mussolini's march on Rome? The king invited Mussolini to form a government. Define dollar imperialism. The policy of USA in maintaining and dominating over distant lands through economic aid. Who the prominent dictators of post-World War? First, Italy's Mussolini; Germany, Hitler; and Spain's Franco. What are the objectives of IMF? The foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, and promote economic growth. What was the Marshall Plan? The plan sought to help countries of Europe with American dollars. List the social evils eradicated by Brahma Samaj: Sati, child marriage, and polygamy. Why was Simon Commission boycotted? The Simon Commission was an all-white commission with no Indian members. What were the duties of Polyakos? Collect revenue, administer the territory, settle disputes, and maintain law and order. What do you mean by drain of wealth? The colonial economy was a country's transfer of resources from India to Britain. Describe Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In 1919, the Anti-Revolt Act, protested by Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. So they arrested people against their arrest and arranged a public meeting at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. General Dyer with his troops and opened fire on people without any warning, and 379 were killed and more than thousands injured. Mention the various measures introduced by the Justice Ministry. Introduced a reservation of appointments in local bodies and education institution. Established staff selection board, which later became Public Service Commission. Abolished Devadasi system in Tamil Nadu. What do you know of Seraman Devi Gurukulam incident? V.V. Subramaniam established a Gurukulam at Seraman Devi. In this Gurukulam, discriminated on the basis of caste non-Brahmin students and made to dine separately. E.V. Ramasamy Periyar in 1925, he questioned the practice and severely criticized it. Estimate Periyar as a feminist. He condemned child marriage and Devadasi system. Periyar emphasized on women's rights to divorce and property. Periyar objected to terms like giving in marriage. Periyar believed that property rights for women would provide them a social status and protection. State the west flowing rivers of India: Narmada, Tapti, Mahi, Sabarmati. Name the four distinct seasons of India. Winter season, January to February. Summer season, March to May. Southwest monsoon, June to September. Northeast monsoon, October to December. Name the areas which receives heavy rainfall. Western coast, Assam. South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Name the trees of tropical evergreen forest. Rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, palm and ironwood trees. What is the Project Tiger? Project Tiger launched April 1973 to conserve tiger population. Define soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface. It is composed of minerals. Mention the plantation crop of India. Tea, coffee and rubber. What do you mean by livestock? Cattle, goats, buffalo, sheep and pigs. What is natural gas? Natural gas occurring hydrocarbon gas mixture consisting primarily of methane. Name the different types of coal with their carbon content. Anthracite 80 to 90% carbon, bituminous 60 to 80% carbon, lignite 40 to 60% carbon, peat 40% carbon. What is migration? States its types. The movement of peoples across region and territories. One internal migration, another one international migration. What is communication? What are its types? Communication is a process that involves exchange of information, thoughts and ideas. It is personal and mass communications. Define international trade. Trade carried on between two or more countries. List out airports and seaports of Tamil Nadu. Airports: Chennai, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore. Seaports: Chennai, Ennur, Tuticorin. Explain cropping season of Tamil Nadu. Swarnavari, Chittirai, April to September. Samba, Adi, July to February. Navarai, November to March. What is terry? The sand dunes formed along the coast of Ramanathapuram and Thuthukudi. States: boundaries of Tamil Nadu. East, Bay of Bengal. West, Kerala. North, Andhra Pradesh. Northwest, Karnataka. South, Indian Ocean. What is meant by citizenship? The word citizen is derived from the Latin term civis. It means residence of. How many types of fundamental rights are listed by the Indian Constitution? There are 6 fundamental rights, part 3 of the Constitution. What are the different categories of ministers at the union level? Cabinet ministers, Minister of States and Deputy Ministers. What do you understand by appellate jurisdictions of the High Courts? All High Courts entertain appeals in civil and criminal cases from their subordinate courts as well as on their own. This is known as the appellate jurisdiction of the High Court. Name the architects of non-aligned movement. Jawaharlal Nehru, Tito, Nasser, Sukarno and Kwame. List out the number of countries of SAARC. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Name the neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Mention members of the countries of BRICS. Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Define tax. A compulsory contribution from a person to the government. Right, short notes on goods and service tax. GST. Tax levied when a consumer buys a goods or service. Write a short notes on purchasing power. Value of currency expressed in terms of the amount of goods or service that one unit of money can buy. What is globalization? Globalization is the integration of a country with the world economy. Write the types of globalization. Archaic, proto and modern globalization. Define national income. A measure of the total value of goods and service produced by any economy a year. What is money bill? Money bill is covers income and expenditure of the government and connected with tax. What is meant by black money? Funds earned on the black market, taxes have not been paid. What is meant by GDP? The GDP is the market value of all the final goods and services produced in the country during a time period. What is per capita income? Dividing the national income by the population of a country. Per capita income equal to national income divided by total number of population. Thank you for watching.